Welcome guys again in this part. So in this part I'm going to show you how to paint in the wall and also how to insert the picture on the wall, decal. Okay, so let's go to this angle. So I'm going to paint this wall in here. So let's first sublet the wall. So if you not sublet, it will paint all the whole wall. Okay, so I show you if not sublet first, all the wall will painting like this. Okay, so that's why I'm going to sublet the wall and then paint it with different color. Okay, so go to the sublet and then click this face of the wall, and now from here I'm going to use the line. So let's start from here and maybe in here until the ceiling, and then in here, and then let's go down and let's finish. Okay, again this part as well, continue the same method. Okay, and this part as well, because these two rooms have two different color. Each side you have to separate from the other. Okay, so now it's ready to paint. So I'm going to start from this bedroom, like red room. Go to, so there in here different colors, so also from here you can find different. Let's select this blue one, maybe this color for the restroom or sleeping room. Okay, and here for the office, maybe yellow. I'm going to just show you how to paint, so it's up to you which color you want to choose. Okay, so that's why I select different colors to see. Oops, in here I forget to sublet this part, so if you not sublet, all the wall will painting like that. Okay, so again let's go to sublet, select this wall, and from here draw a line. From here it should be sublet. Okay, if you zoom in you can find. Okay, now finish. Again go to the paint and then paint and find your color that you want to paint the wall. Okay, this is how to paint the wall in Revit. Okay, the red color and the yellow one. Okay, so now I am going to show you how to decal or insert the picture in here for decoration. It looks little realistic. Okay, so again go to the insert and then decal, choose there is some picture in here, and also you can insert your own picture if you want to. Let's if you have picture in your PC, you can upload viewer. Okay, now I uploaded my own picture from here. So this is the picture that I want to insert. Maybe this one, and then click to OK, and then place decal. Okay, so let's put in here, and then if you click to this picture, you can use arrow key to replace the picture on the wall. Okay, maybe a little bit down or up or to center, up to you. So again, I'm going to put one picture in here. So again, go to decal and then place decal. Okay, because now you already uploaded your picture. From here you can change the picture, maybe one picture in here. Okay, and then select the picture and then adjust where you want to replace the picture. Okay, where you want to put. This is how to decal or insert the picture on Revit. Okay, so now I'm going to show you how to make this more realistic. Let's delete this, and then the first time I'm going to create a frame in here and then put the picture on my frame. Okay, so let's create something, a model place in here, and let's like a wall, and then wall 5, and let's create extrusion in here, and let's select the work plan, pick plan, and then choose this wall. Okay, the work plan should be in this one. Okay, and then let's go to the front elevation. If I draw in here now, it means you draw on the wall that you pick the work plan. Okay, now I'm going to create an extrusion in here, like a frame. So the extrusion into maybe 2 centimeters. Yeah. From here you can change the color if you want to. Let's say now yellow color, the material. So let's change to red color. Already I created this material, the red color. If I type the name, automatically this will change the material. Okay, you have to already have the material with the red color like that. Okay, now this is how to create this frame like this. So let's maybe use the section box to cut the place that I like it disturb me to can work very well. Let's cut until here. Okay, now this is the frame. So now I'm going to put my picture in here. Again, go to insert and then decal, and then plus decal. Okay, and then let's put the picture in here. So let's move on the frame, and you can resize as well the picture. the same the frame. Okay, or you can resize the frame, up to you. Okay, you want to resize the picture or the frame. Okay, this is how to create the frame and put the picture on the frame. Okay, to make little realistic. So as you can see now, it's just on the wall. So if you want to make it more realistic, like with you have to put this with a small angle. So click to the select the frame. Okay, let's select the frame, and now I'm going to give a little bit angle. Okay, and then let's go to the edit. Let's this circle vision, and now again select this and go to the rotate, maybe -20 degree. So let's see in 3D. Yeah, I gave angle 20 degree. So now it's look like inside the wall. Now I'm going to little bit bring front. So select this and then use the cursor to move little bit front. Okay, from the wall. Okay, so now let's see with a different angle. Yeah, this is how to make the frame with a small angle. Okay, and how to insert the picture on the wall. This is the end of the complete tutorial that I created at supermarket. Thanks for watching. See you the next complete tutorial.